Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Om Swastiastu and God bless you. The Honorable Teacher and my beloved friends, good afternoon. Before that, I wanted to introduce myself. My name is Said Chamil Mulia Drajat. You can call me Said. I wanted to show my performance talents or the performance art. The title is Local Culture. The, the local culture. The themes is batik is being a world full heritage. Jakarta batik is the truly Indonesian identic culture. Since the past, this is why countries like Singapore, Malaysia, China products the batik. Call it batik to be their favorite product. Now, you can see the past of the product has been spreading in all over the world. Based on UNESCO, United National Educational, Scientific, and Cultural Organization, batik being one of the world's on October 2nd, 2009. It means batik would be the one of the culture from Indonesia, which admitted to all over the world been amazing. Being one of the best cultural heritage in the world, Batik Day will celebrate in 2nd October every year. This is a special day based on 5th President of Indonesia, Susilo Bambang Yudhoyono. He led all people in Indonesia to say to the God and to generation before which made batik as the one of the last and the best art and cultural from Indonesia. This is like a blessed from a God. He added, so let's wear the batik product and love our batik. I say thank you for the attention. Thank you very much. My name is Said Mulia. I'm out.